So, good evening, ma'am. My name is Antonio Megalibabonia. For today, I'm gonna discuss or show you my activity output of activity 7. So, this is the tilt switch. So, here, I see there's a LED, the 4 wires I used, and then the tilt switch. So, my first black wire is connected to the ground to complete and close the circuit. Because it is the negative and it will close and complete the circuit. So I'm connected to the 13 to power the LED, and then the 2 is to give the high power to the switch. So here, if I tilt it will turn off the LED, and if I put it in the proper way, it will lit up the LED. So the reason behind this is the inside of this tilt switch is there's inside a small ball that is contacted with the two contacts. So like these 2 wires is na-touch niya ang ball, ka-touch anang two lines there, you see the contacts, and if once touched the ball and the 2 connect the contacts, it will give power and will lit up the LED. If not naman, if right now I'm tilting it, so the ball, as you can hear the little thing, now the ball is not connected to the contact, so that's why the light is not on. But when I put it properly, and then the ball is is contacted with the two wires or the contacts, it will lit up. So that's all, ma'am. Thank you.